exercise bike, which is a pretty cool bike. I got these purple cushions on it and stuff. Very nice. I'm gonna watch TV and stuff with it. So I needed something to set my drinks in and put my phone in, and also the TV remote. See there? So that whenever I'm sitting on the bike, I can access these things. So I looked on the internet and nothing was exactly what I needed. So I have this little box. What I did was I trimmed it and cut it to where, just cut this out, and then I took the flaps where I cut out and rubber banded it to there, and it's been working super well. You can see when you're sitting down, it's just a perfect level to reach what you need, and then you can watch some TV or what have you. Alrighty.